On a cold, wintry day, few things are more comforting than curling up with a bowl of hot,
minestra,
feminine, plural, minestre. Minestra is just one way of saying soup in Italian, and it has a fascinating history, as we'll discover in this video.
minestra,
Although minestra is now a generic term for any watery soup consisting of pasta, rice, legumes, and vegetables, it used to denote the first course in a three-course meal, or in the case of the poor, the only course. The word itself derives from the Latin verb minestrare, which means to administer. This is because the head of the household was responsible for serving the minestra from a central bowl.
A mia mamma piace mangiare una buona minestra calda nelle fredde serate invernali.
My mum likes to eat a good warm soup on cold winter evenings. From minestra, we also get the diminutive,
Minestrina,
literally, little soup, a light minestra given to children and ailing people, and the augmentative,
minestrone,
literally, big soup, a thick soup consisting of rice or pasta with several kinds of vegetables and seasoning. Many Italian regions have different minestrone recipes.
Da piccolo mi ricordo il minestrone che preparava la nonna.
I remember the minestrone soup Grandma made when I was little. There are also some figurative meanings. Minestra can indicate a situation or topic that is boring, repetitive, and tedious. Minestrone can depict a mix of various elements that cause confusion.
Minestra riscaldata.
Same old, literally, heated soup.
È sempre la solita minestra.
It's the same old thing.
Quella pagina web è un minestrone di notizie poco interessanti.
That webpage is a hodgepodge of not very interesting news. Some other Italian dishes that we would classify as soup include
Zuppa,
a soup consisting of broth, vegetables, and bread, but never pasta, legumes, or rice.
passato,
A blended vegetable soup without rice or pasta.
vellutata,
Similar to a passato, but it only contains 2 to 3 vegetables, cream, or an egg yolk that's added to smoothen the texture.
crema.
A single vegetable pureed and mixed with rice flour or milk.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.